how to share your memories on Bereal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your memories on Bereal. First open Bereal, and first open Play Store and make sure your Bereal is updated, and then click open, and then click on your profile here in top corner, and then click view all my memories, and that's it. Just select any memory you want, and then here you can share it, and that's it, and you can download it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.